In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Vimeo in HD or 4K. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Vimeo website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But if you're already a member, all you need to do is sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a comprehensive dashboard with various options at the top of the page. At the top of your screen, look for the big, friendly button that says Plus Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to starting a new project or uploading something new. From this drop-down menu, select Upload. It's a simple step, but it opens the door to the wonderful world of video sharing. Now you'll see a button that says Choose Files. Clicking this will prompt your computer's File Explorer to pop up. This is where you need to locate the HD or 4K video file you want to upload. So go ahead and find that video, whether it's saved in your documents, desktop, or any other folder. Once you've found it, simply click on it and then hit Open. Nice and easy, right? Next, you'll see Vimeo doing its work as it starts uploading your video. At this stage, it's important to be patient. You'll notice a progress bar that indicates how much of the video has been uploaded. Make sure to keep this browser window open until the upload is completely finished. If you navigate away from the page, you could interrupt the process. While Vimeo is busy uploading your video, you have some free time on your hands. This is a great moment to enter your video's title in the designated field. A compelling title can really draw viewers in, so don't rush this step. If you're feeling inspired, you can also add a description of the video. This will help your audience understand what they are about to watch and could include relevant tags, your social media links, or anything else you deem important. Now we come to the privacy settings. Vimeo offers a variety of options when it comes to managing who can see your video. You can choose to keep it public, share it with only specific people, or keep it completely private. Make sure to pick the setting that aligns with your vision for the content you've created. Once everything is filled out and the upload is complete, Vimeo will begin processing your video. This is where the magic happens. It may take a little time depending on the length and quality of your video, so grab a coffee or take a short break while your masterpiece is getting ready for the world. After processing is complete, you'll be ready to review your video. Click on it to open the player and take a good look at how it turned out. Here's where you'll want to assess the playback quality options. Look for the gear or settings icon on the player. It's usually in the bottom right corner. By clicking on that, you'll see a menu pop up that shows the available playback quality options. If your original video was uploaded in 4K and your Vimeo account supports 4K streaming, select 4K to show it off in the best quality possible. If you're working with HD, be sure to choose 1080p when it's available so your audience can see your hard work in stunning detail. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded your video to Vimeo in HD or 4K. It's a straightforward process, but every step is important to ensure your content shines. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy uploading and see you in the next video.